What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here. I'm joined by my lovely wife, Molly. Say hello.
Hello.
What we got for your face balls today is an unboxing. And this is the newest box from Spyderco. And, you know, we got to do something cool. So we'll do the Frayed and Lock Manix 2 here. Marble carbon fiber, CPM 4V, hollow ground blade. She's a beaut. Anywho, let's go ahead and get into this box. And there is definitely one knife for sure in here that is very, very cool that I'm really looking forward to. It's one that I have not handled for many years. A friend of mine had one of these a long, long time ago. And I really liked it back then, but this one's even cooler. So, so there's two. We've got a little one, yellow, and a big one. And we've got some handy dandy paperwork. And we've got two collector club certificates. So all is well in the world. All right, let's go. Let's do this little one first.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Oh,
Oh,
pink.
you can go ahead and open that because I gotta grab this.
Look at her. Look at her.
And that is what model?
A Dragonfly.
Yeah. And what's the spec? Give us
It's
the lowdown.
CPM S30V
Oh, yeah.
with a black coated blade and black hardware. Oh, dang.
I gotta be honest. The clip screw there looks abnormally large
Yeah,
for
I thought so too.
the
But
placement. It like doesn't fit down in there. It does that on both sides.
she thick. Don't make
Well,
fun.
the screw's thick, that's
Yeah.
for sure. So anyway, we've got Seiki City, Japan, pink FRN, black blade, CPM S30V with a little bit of oil on there. Dragonfly, which is just an awesome, for a little knife, it's a good one. Definitely.
I really like the black and pink.
Yeah, perfectly centered. She's a beaut. Yeah, right on. Well,
It's a good color combo.
so this shows right here that Spyderco can do black wire clips, black lock bars, which they've done on other models, but some models they just don't do it on. They can also do hardware instead of rivets. Christmas miracle. So really cool little knife, and we're going to find out how sharp this is in just a couple of moments. All right, now, the big one. Pull it out. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, this right here
That
is
their,
the Rock
Jade
Lobster.
G10.
Jade G10. Give us the stats here, hon.
Jade G10,
And?
Rock Lobster.
There you go. Yes. Look at that. This is a Jen's Onso design, the Rock Lobster. Really cool knife. One of the things that I love so much about this knife is the blade to handle ratio. This thing is packing heat with a big old blade and it's not a small handle, but small-ish for the size of the blade.
Is it a satin blade?
Here we go. Here is the paperwork on it. So this is a Blade HQ exclusive. And it is done in Blade HQ's Jade G10 with CPM M4 blade steel. So very premium materials. If I remember correctly, the Rock Lobster was done, I think, they've done it a bunch of different ways, or at least somebody made a bunch of different scales, because I've seen pictures of a bunch of different ones. But back in the day, a friend of mine had one of these years and years ago, and I'm going back like maybe 10 years ago or something. It's been a long time. And his was black scales with, I'm pretty sure it was VG10 blade steel. And that was really my first experience with this kind of sheep's foot blade. I thought it was a really cool blade shape. It just was different from everything else I had seen at the time. And this one is very, very nice. It's super thin. Aaron.
That douchebag.
Anyway,
Got him.
very, very cool knife, and you can see the blade. No danger of cutting yourself, but it goes right to the edge. They used every ounce of that handle for the blade. So really, really cool. Blade to handle ratio is very, very good. And then, of course, we got the new Spyderco sticker, which is really cool. And then, you know, a little card saying that this is high carbon steel, blah, blah, blah. It can rust. Okay.
Blah, blah, blah.
It can rust. All right. So let's, did we get the sticker in this box?
Oh, I don't know.
Let's
Didn't
take,
really
oh,
pull
yep,
it
boom.
all the way.
And that's it. All we got was the standard paperwork. Interesting. Okay. There we go. Anything else coming? Nope, that's it. So we just got some poison for the trolls, the sticker, and then the exclusive, dealer exclusive paperwork. But let's get into this and find out how sharp these bad boys are. Now, what we've got here, this is a certified sharpness tester. And I'm going to tighten this up real quick.
What? I thought it was good.
Yeah, not quite tight enough. Now, what we're looking for on this machine is anything under 200 grams. So what this machine does is it cuts this filament right here. You can see stretching across there. This is certified test media, and it measures the weight that it takes to cut that media. Now, there are some other channels, other people that have this very same machine, and you can skew the results drastically by how you approach and how you manipulate the knife.
And the speed at which you...
The speed is very, very important. So, but I've done a lot of testing with this machine. 200 grams or less is a fantastic factory edge. Anything under 350 grams, if tested properly, will still shave arm hair. So don't get it twisted. Some of these guys are showing off their sharpening job and being, 50 grams or something on here. Most of the time, not saying that you can't get a blade there, you certainly can. Most of the time it's bullshit because I can make any of these. I'll show you after we test these.
What's that I smell? Is that some bullshit?
That's some bullshit. That's some bullshit.
Thank
All
you,
right.
Jenna. I miss you. I love you.
All right, so here we go. We're going to test the S30V first, Seiki City, Japan. I think the Rock Lobster is also from Japan. Here we go, here we go. Holy.
That was...
If that's true, we're going to test this again. If that's true. If that's true, that's the most ridiculous. That's the sharpest knife we've ever tested.
Dang, I was not expecting
that one's tight. All right, we're going to do that one more time. Maybe a couple more times because I was not expecting. So up until now, the sharpest knife that we have had out of the box from Spyderco, I'm pretty sure was an 85. Let me turn the light on.
I think it...
Hopefully that helps a little bit. All right. I'm going to try and do it right in the same spot. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh.
95.
Interesting.
This is one of the sharpest knives that we've ever had out of the box. I'm going to do it one more time.
Just one more?
Well, maybe. I don't know.
Like 50 times.
Yeah, maybe a few more. I don't know yet.
I want that 35 again.
We're just going to verify. All right, here we go. Here we go. Holy crap. 65. This thing is sharp, guys. Crazy sharp. Now, here, let me show you what I mean by you can skew the results. So we've seen a 35, a 95, and a 65, all of which are crazy sharp. Okay. Just to put that into perspective, most utility blades, utility knife blades, razor blades, most of those are around the 200 mark. So, somewhere in that range. All right. But here, if I go through it really fast, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I'll show you a skewed result here. You ready?
10.
10.
It's a 10.
It's a 10. A 10. All right. So, that certainly is a skewed result. But this thing is very, very sharp. This is definitely the sharpest knife I have ever tested right out of the box. Really crazy how sharp this thing is. We're going to go one more time just to see. 45. So a little further back. So right in this range is where I got the 95, and then the 65 was right about here, and then the 35 and 45 were back a little further.
Just in case you want
This thing is crazy sharp, guys. Crazy, crazy sharp. That's definitely the sharpest knife I've ever tested out of the box, hands down.
She means business.
Yeah, she means something. So, definitely the sharpest knife. Unbelievable.
There is Arachnus death.
Arachnus death. Yeah, that is true. The Spyderco. The Spyder.
The Spider.
Arachnus deathicus. All right. So, the CPM M4 and, oh yeah, Seiki City, Japan. I thought I saw that.
Oh.
So that's cool. We generally don't see this level of knife. This might be the first time Seiki City's done an M4 blade. I can't think of another one coming out of Seiki City that's M4. But let's see how they did it, how they handled it. Here we go. They handled it well. They handled it really well.
Let me tell you what Seiki City, Japan's doing.
Yeah, apparently
they're sharpening stuff.
Yeah,
real good.
Apparently, they're samurais there, and they are just honing their craft and just obsessing, just going full OCD on these blades and not messing around. So we're gonna put another one up here. We're gonna test this one a couple times. That's amazing.
So what they're doing is...
Yeah, so what they have going on is... all right. Let's go. I'm going to go in a little bit different spot. We're going to go just a little further back. All right, here we go. Tear that out. Wow.
80 that
80.
time?
Okay, guys.
Dang.
Seiki City is on fire.
Doing it to them.
This
all.
Seiki's on fire. It is. These are
No, you didn't.
freaking ridiculous. Ridiculous. Like I said, sub 100 is insanely sharp. Insanely sharp.
Redonk.
I'm blown away. Honestly, I'm blown away. We're going to do another one up in the front here, just to see what we're working with. Yep, let's go right there. Here we go. Wow.
Okay.
95.
She's pretty, consistent.
For sure. So, guys, I don't even know what to say. I'm blown away. I'm dumbfounded by the insane... Here, hold on. Let's do one more. I want to just test another knife. I've got some other stuff sitting here, so I'm going to test some. I just want to make sure my machine isn't off here. Let's do... here, we'll just do the frayed and lock, the Mannix. I've been using this thing. I don't remember where it was at before, but let's just see how the old CPM 4V is going here. Here we go. 110. So,
I think that needs...
this is my edge. I've sharpened this a couple of times. Oh yeah, that's not tight enough.
Yeah. Just having trouble getting a handle on it.
Yep, no worries. That one. Damn it.
This one's good.
Okay. Now we got her. Okay, what else we got sitting over there? We got another Spyderco? Just because this is the Spyderco well, I'm gonna...
Oh, she dirty.
Yeah, she dirty. All right. Let's, all right, here we go. $160. So...
Which was about...
Which is what?
About what it was when it came.
Yeah, it hadn't changed a whole lot from, that was pretty close to factory edge. Now, this one, my Gale Bradley, it's sitting here. This is also in CPM M4. This is from Taichung, Taiwan. And we'll just get a test on this one real quick. I think I've used this. Well, I know I have, but...
Look what you made us do, Seiki City. We got a pile of test media.
85.
Oh,
nice.
Okay.
Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So, but these two are wearing my edge. I've certainly sharpened these, so these aren't factory and out of the box, but both of them holding up their edge extremely well. So anyway, amazing results. We could be here all day testing and doing these things. These two knives, without a question, this is the sharpest knife I've ever tested out of the box, and this is probably number 2. I mean, before we had an 85.
Yeah.
But this thing is crazy, crazy sharp. So
we should just frame them. Oh, you can make a shadow box on your 3D printer. We
yeah.
can put them in it.
Speaking of,
never to touch it again.
I actually have a shadow box that I made with my 3D printer. That is for an upcoming project. It's actually sitting here. So a little shadow box situation. And yeah, we could something like that, and we could do, you know, this and this,
right?
Like so. Just for those that don't know, let me show you a little size comparison here. The old Rock Lobster, she's got a big old blade. It's like 3 3/4 inch blade, I think. So there it is up against the Manix 2, and here it is against the Gale Bradley 2. So the Rock Lobster, she no joke. She's a big old girl. And, but very, very thin. Very, very thin. Overall handle is super thin. A little thinner than the Manix. I'm sure thinner than the Gale Bradley.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, definitely thinner than the Gale Bradley.
Excuse me.
So, anyway, there you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me put this back in its frame. Push that over here. Boom.
And forever they will stay.
Forever they will stay. There you go. All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. We gone.
Bye.
You got anything else you want to say?
Oh, you know, like,
thanks to all the patrons.
Yeah.
You guys make the channel possible and fun and all those things, so we love and enjoy the support.
Yeah, check it out if you're not already a patron, and check out the website, info. Nope.
That was our email, info@ocdforedc.com.
Yeah, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, suggestions.
And our website is ocdforedc.com. We also just recently started posting videos up on Rumble. So if you guys want to go check us out over there, you know, we're just trying to stay ahead of the curve and not get canceled and stuff, you know?
Yeah.
So anyway, we gone.
Bye.